The chart analysis of Shirish, who had requested general analysis of how his chart is. So, this was his question, some general predictions about my future. Shirish was born on 8th December 1989, 7:29 hours, Jaunpur, UP, and he has an excellent Lagna chart with powerful Lagna house, second house, fourth house, and 11th house. He belongs to a good family, is wealthy, and with his own hard efforts, he would be able to rise up in his life. But there is an inherent problem in his chart, that is his Jupiter in the 7th house, along with Ketu in the 8th house, and Sun in the 12th house. So, what this means is that there will be some marriage related problems, especially right now in his Venus Mahadasha, which has the potential of derailing his life and even taking him to in despair towards depression and anxiety. So this is the angle about which he has to be very, very careful in his life, that is his marriage, romance or romantic license. Other than that, right now and right through his Venus Mahadasha, I see that he is making very good amounts of money. Professionally, he will be doing very well, but as mentioned, he has to be extremely careful about his marriage, because in case he makes a wrong decision, which it looks he would, there would be legal consequences, financial consequences, health consequences, and also it would, he would lose interest in mostly all of the worldly things. So he has to be very careful in this aspect. If he does that, he has a good chart, his mother is auspicious for him, he will do well in his profession, he lives a comfortable life, he is good looking, likes to enjoy life, and right now his Venus Mahadasha is also very auspicious. So let me roll over. As you can see, from 2011 till 31 is his present Venus Mahadasha, which is very auspicious for him. It's in the second house. He would be making good amount of money and even enjoying his life. These are his planetary positions. Jupiter is retrograde at 14 degrees 35 minutes 5 seconds in the 7th house of Gemini, and the other concern is his Ketu in the 8th house of Cancer and his Sun in the 12th house, very strongly placed, but it would make him, there would be some issues related to his father, and also he would be prone to pessimism and negativity. And it is always better that if he gets an opportunity to go overseas, he should jump at that. He would get that opportunity right now, and if such an opportunity comes, he should take it. So these are his general planets in the Lagna house and their interpretation. As you can see, Ketu, Jupiter and Sun are challenging in his chart. Everything else is excellent. As mentioned, Venus Mahadasha till June 2031 is extremely auspicious, and till August 2021 time is very good, but after that 3 years would be very rough for him, his Venus Jupiter phase, during which time he could get married if he is not careful to the wrong kind of woman. So there are some remedies for Shirish which I think he would be interested in and he should read. Hari Om and God bless.